Alright, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen, to Tech Expert Reviews and Unboxings. Today, I unboxed this very cool, awesome 1080p Full HD body camera. Let's get to it. Woohoo! Let's get right into this 1080p Full HD body camera. And right out of the box you get your user manual that goes through all the information, all the specs, how to use it, how to run it, what not to do, what you need to do, and all that good, awesome, fun stuff. Information. You get a small USB reader. Right here. You get your little pin right there. You get a USB charging cable. And you also get the main prize right here. It's got a nice strong little clip right there. Bring in for a closer look. Right here you got your mini USB cable port right there. You got your OK button with these other two buttons right there. You got this button, your TF mini SD card right there, up to 64 gigabytes. And you got your power button right there. You got your LED screen display right here. Your speaker right there. And you also got the actual camera right there as well. So let's go ahead and let's turn this thing on. And I know it's hard to see right here. Well, you can see fairly well right there. But the picture of this is absolutely super sharp, clear, crystal clear, and awesome. Very awesome. Like I said, you got a card with 64 gigabytes, and that goes right here. Let's look at that. Even though it's a small LED display, it's still big enough that it's not too big, it's not too small, it's just right for a camera like this. And with this clip, you can clip this onto your collar of your t-shirt or your breast pocket, where it will hold nice and firm. Really awesome. Oh, I forgot to mention this. You got this is where your lights are right here. It's really nice, really neat. Also right here you got on the very bottom of the camera, you got your slot right there to connect to your tripod or your mini tripod right there. Let's quickly go through the settings. Because right now I got it on video mode. But pressing this button right here that's underneath the power button, you can go from video mode to picture mode and take pictures. If you need to do a quick voiceover, you can record your voice with this unit as well, which is very neat. Like say if you're like a reporter, you need to shoot some video, but you also need a record some audio, like with an interview or whatever, you can do this with this body camera unit right here. And you can also scroll through the pictures that you taken before. Just like with the video, the picture quality is absolutely sharp and on point. Absolutely awesome. To hit the OK button, you can start recording, which I'm currently doing right now. Testing out the video on this mini body camera, 1080p full HD video quality. Very cool. Hit the OK button again, and you stop recording. Immerse yourself in stunningly clear and detailed video recordings. The body camera boosts a 1080p resolution that captures every scene with exceptional clarity and precision, making it the perfect choice for professional and personal use. Alright, I am now filming with this mini, small 1080p HD body camera. Films amazing, clear, sharp video, and the audio sounds really, really good. For a small action camera, this is one of the best that I've seen video with clear picture and really great sounding audio. I mean, just look at that amazing video quality right there. This is a really, really good action camera. Filming inside now, out of the wind, and I do apologize for the wind. It is windy here where I am at, but again, just to clarify, this small mini 1080p full HD body camera is super great. The video quality is super sharp and clear, and the audio sounds really, really well. Alright, testing the audio recording. This is how my voice sounds during the audio recording feature with this mini body camera. Testing 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. This is how my voice sounds during audio recording with this small mini action body camera. Alright guys, that will do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you liked it. If you did, leave a thumbs up. If you did not, let me know why. There's always room for improvement. Hey look, I'm always very eager and willing to learn. And I can't learn if you're not letting me know what it is that I need to improve on. So if I need to improve, hey, come on, sound off in the comments, let me know. Subscribe if you have not done so. If you have not, do it now. And click on that notification bell so you do not miss another episode uploaded every single Monday. Whoo yeah, at 6 p.m. And speaking of sounding off in the comments, if you got a body camera or a certain type of camera, or if you would like to see something unboxed and reviewed on this channel, let me know. Sound off in the comments below, and you never know, you might just see it one of these days. Remember, you have the power of your destiny. You have the authority over your life. If you don't like something, if you don't like your current situation, you got the authority, you got the power to change it. Don't bitch about it. Don't complain about it. Change it. Change it. You got that power and you got that ability. Come on. Quit wasting your time doing things you don't like and you don't want. Stop that. Stop wasting your time. Get out there, do what you love, and thrive. And until next time, hey, I'll catch you later.